Hi guys, it's Gemma here. This is using Photoshop Labs exercise 2, opening images files. So in this exercise what we're going to do is we're going to open a couple of images and we're going to mess around a little bit with the interface, see what we can do with the images, how we can place them on the interface of Photoshop. Okay, first of all I downloaded my zip file exercise, which is in your lab on Moodle, and what I'm going to do is I right click on that and I've got a little program called 7-Zip, which I'll add the link to Moodle for you. So I'm just going to extract that, and then it gives me this folder here, and here's all the files I need for it to do all the labs. Okay, so next thing I do is I go to Photoshop, open up Photoshop. So you can use any method that you want to open up. So I'm just going to go to File, Open. Right here, Exercises. So I'm going to open up the rows, and I'm going to open up the one cat. Okay, so basically in this exercise what we're trying to have a look at is exactly this field up here. Up here you can see the name of the image, how big it's at 100% here, so that's as big as it gets, and what color mode. So this is RGB color mode. So if it was for print it would be CMYK. So here you can see that's the rows there, and the cat also is the name of the image, what percentage the image is at, and the color mode. So I just want to change that percentage just to show you how it changes. So if I go to View, zoom in or out, or I can fit on screen, you can see this changes as the size of the image changes. It's now 142%. So I can also go View, zoom in, or I can go View, zoom out. Or what I can also do is hold the Control key and go minus, 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 and it zooms out, or plus, 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 and it zooms in. So I'm holding down the Control key and I'm continuously pressing plus or continuously pressing minus to make it bigger or smaller. It's just a handy shortcut and it makes life much quicker. Okay, so the other thing you're asked to do in that particular exercise is to pull the image out, so you can see it out here. You can see the two images side by side. We did a little bit of this in class as well. And the other thing we want to do is look at them side by side. Select the window menu, and we're going to select arrange. So we're going to arrange so you can tile all vertically. So that's them tile vertically. So you can arrange them horizontally like so. So you might like to work like this. This might suit you to work like this. So you have to choose which way you prefer to work. You can have two up. So if you have more than two images, obviously you have more options. You can have three up. So you could have up to 6 images at one time. So you can bring them back to the tab. So say for example you can't find one of your images. What you do is you go into Window, Arrange, Consolidate All Tabs, and then they'll all be back here in the tabs. So that's just a little look, different things you can do. You can tile the images again. If you lose any of your images on the desktop, you can't find them, which does happen in Photoshop sometimes, just go to Consolidate All Tabs. However many images you have, they'll be back to the default. Okay, thanks a million. So just follow the exercises step by step, and it'll help you get used to using the view and presentation mode of Photoshop. Thanks a million. See you in the next video.